chills from my body. Wow, just like chills. That was great. Hi, my name is Amber LeBlanc. I'm an artist and designer. I paint abstract paintings. A lot of my pain starts to develop around my right side, middle to lower back. I have a lot of tension up in the neck and shoulder area as well.
Let it all go.
Oh. Thank you. Oh, that was great.
Okay, so now just kind of sitting up and putting a little bit of weight onto your spine. How does it feel?
Feels better.
Yeah?
I don't feel pressure anymore as much in the lower back, which is great. I feel like my neck and like my head feels lighter, like my whole entire head feels lighter.